What's going on, guys? So today I'll show you how to free up memory fast using the disk cleanup. So if you want to check out how much memory you have available on your computer, what you'll want to do is open up the File Explorer, which I already have open here, and click on this PC. Now this will show you all your memory. So currently this computer has a solid state drive and a hard drive. And my solid state drive, as you can see, is mostly filled up, and I kind of want to free this guy up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the start menu and type disk cleanup and open this guy. So yes, I want to tackle OSC. Data is fine, so I'm going to do this one. And at first you're going to see a decent amount of memory, 130 megabytes. That's about 0.1 gigabytes. Not that effective, but there's a little trick that you can do to free up a lot more, right? So if you do cleanup system files and you click this guy, this cleanup will disappear, but he'll reappear down here. So you got to open this again and then click OK on the same drive. So OSC. And this might take a little longer, but you'll see that it can free up a lot more space after it's done. The reason for this, as you'll see later on, is because it'll start deleting some Windows Update stored cache, which after Windows updates, it stores a lot of memory from the previous update, whether that be an old version of Windows or just previous files from previous updates. So when this finishes loading, you'll see that a lot more space can be freed up this way. This computer has a solid state and a hard drive, so the solid state gets cluttered up real quick, which is why I like to use this tool to free it up as much as I can. Okay, here we go. So 8.25 gigabytes, and most of that comes from Windows Update Cleanup and Windows Upgrade log files. Personally, I don't need either of these, that's fine, and everything else here can be deleted as well. Windows error reports, I cleaned up my recycle bin, but if you don't, you can clear it up through this as well. Temp files, thumbnails, all this can go. So I'm going to click OK. Yes, I permanently want to delete these files. And I'm going to do a little jump cut to when this is finished deleting and clearing up. So I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so I finally finished cleaning up my solid state drive. That took about 15 minutes to clear up 8 gigabytes. So if it takes a while, don't be shocked. It needs to do what it needs to do. So I just want to show you guys what happens if I do this again. Boom, as you can see, only about 18.6 megabytes, which is almost nothing. So disk cleanup has done its job. It's cleared up 8 gigabytes, freed up a lot of space. Hopefully you guys found this quick little video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. And if you like what you see on my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.